Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Tilda doll. First, gather your materials, including fabric, stuffing, and thread. You'll need a sewing machine or needle and thread for hand sewing. We'll start by cutting out the pattern pieces for the body and limbs. Remember to leave a seam allowance of about 1/4 inch. This project is a delightful way to create a unique, handcrafted item for yourself or as a thoughtful gift. To begin your Tilda doll project, select high-quality natural fabrics such as cotton or linen for the doll's body, typically in a light skin tone. You'll also need polyester fiberfill for stuffing, which gives the doll its soft, plump shape. Don't forget embroidery floss for delicate facial features and basic sewing essentials like sharp scissors, a good needle, and plenty of pins. Having all your supplies ready makes the creative process much smoother. Now let's construct the doll's body. Carefully cut out all your pattern pieces, ensuring accuracy for a well-proportioned doll. Sew the body and limb pieces together, leaving a small opening on each for turning and stuffing. Remember to clip any curved seams before turning them right side out to prevent puckering. Then, firmly stuff each part with polyester fiberfill, using a stuffing tool to reach all the small areas, creating a lovely, plump form. With the body assembled, it's time for the charming details. Securely attach the arms and legs to the doll's body using strong thread or buttons for articulation. Next, embroider simple eyes and a small mouth to give your Tilda doll a sweet expression. You can create beautiful hair using yarn or wool roving, attaching it securely to the head. Finally, dress your doll in handmade clothes, adding tiny accessories to complete its unique personality and style.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.